Alrighty. So I'm just going to kind of go over what I'm looking at. Okay. This is ES. ES has sucked for 3 weeks, right? Choppy, gigantic range. Wicks everywhere. Just the worst crap anyone's ever seen, right? Some people are cleaning up, I'm sure, but it's just not my style. And what do we have here? Well, we had our big 1 hour trend break, right? This 1 hour trend line broke, which is great. We got a little long in here. And now we have these spread MAs. Spread MAs are a great start, especially over some big 1 hour trend break. And now we're getting, my friend, a little consolidation area on this 1 hour time frame, right? We have this little consolidation area, which also just happens to be in a supply zone, which is fine, not really relevant. So we're looking for price to break over, and we're going to long it right here. And if we zoom into what I'm hoping to see right there, right, zoom, is on a 1 or 5 minute chart, some kind of consolidation and then break. And once I get like a break over the consolidation, I'll be long with my stop below whatever the low is that it creates. Okay. Super, super simple and easy, right? And then we just trail it, see how much we can get out of it. And if it fails and the setup evaporates, we just wait for another one. So now we have gold. Gold's been on this absolutely fantastic tear. Absolutely fantastic tear, right? Look at this reaccumulation model right here. Love that. Anyways, not relevant at the moment. But there's no reason why gold shouldn't keep ripping unless we're shown otherwise, okay? And so what I'd love to see on gold now is to have some reaccumulation happen, a liquidity grab. We have this low. We have this low. I'd love to see price come down here, a spike in volume, price come back up, and then just start working its way up to break this high here, right? And then we're going to see these MAs kind of come down here, get choppy, whatever, and then they're going to flip, and then we want to see them start spreading out. And then hopefully somewhere in there will be some kind of 1 hour trend line, like something like this that sets up so we can draw a trend line on it and long the break. If not, this high would be good for longing if it breaks. But likely something's going to set up in here for us to long, or just going to shit. And if it shits, then we just are sitting on our hands and waiting and seeing what happens. But at the moment, I'm not really touching this. I'm waiting for a price to hopefully rinse this and then start setting up again. At which point I will, friend. At which point I will probably post a setup. What else we got? We got crude. Not great. Not our favorite. So I kind of was hoping and thinking that after this gigantic downtrend, we were going to see some sort of sideways price action in here and then start working our way up, which might still happen. But at the moment, there's no real proof of that. So MAs are spread to the downside, still sort of looking for potentially shorting this break down to and hopefully through here. If it doesn't set up, fine by us, man. Just like this never set up. I was hoping along the break over this, never set up. Didn't take any trades. That's fine. Not taking trades is about as good as it gets. You don't lose money, right? The Dow, dude. The Dow is garbage, my friend. Hot garbage. I mean, unless we're kind of over this, I'm not really interested in trading it, And that's kind of the indice vibe right now. Everything's kind of just hot garbage. Hot garbage, my friend. Don't trade this. What are you going to do? Long it or short it? You don't know, because it's just going to chop your face off, right? So there's really nothing. There's maybe a setup on oil. There's probably longs on ES if we break over here. This is kind of my number one watch right now is ES. Maybe a short on oil, and gold just needs time. So that's what I'm watching. you know? But I'm hoping that ES will do something real sexy. Just pop over this, take a long, and then just rip through that, and then rip through it. And that's hopefully all-time highs. Who knows how long that'll take, but that's what I'm hoping. So, there you have it. See you later.